Bonjour à tous, bonjour Cathy, bonjour Patrick, bonjour tout le monde. J'espère que vous allez bien. Moi, j'ai ma grande tasse de café et regardez, il y a écrit, oh là, Charlotte sur ma tasse. Ok, nous allons lire Les cigares du pharaon. Nous allons continuer. Et donc, yes, where were we? I think the professor was trying to kill Tintin. You see the dagger on the picture. And Tintin, he says, Halte là, mon petit bonhomme. Stop there, my little man. Mon poignard, je veux mon poignard. My dagger, oh, I want my dagger. He's crying like a baby. And Tintin says, Pas question. Well, it means no question, but it really means no way. And Milou, he says, fille à son âge pleurer comme un bébé. Well, in fact, fille, it's a very old interjection. It's like some kind of disdain. So, yeah, Milou says, at his age, cry like a baby. And that's a bit funny, a bit bizarre. Et maintenant, vous allez me dire pourquoi vous avez cherché à me tuer. And now you're going to tell me why you have searched or you have tried to kill me. Allons, répondez. Come on, answer. Ce n'est pas moi, ce sont les yeux. It is not me, it's the eyes. The eyes? Les yeux? Quels yeux? The eyes? Which eyes? Quels yeux? Quels yeux? Which eyes? Which eyes? Ah oui, je me souviens. Oh yes, I remember. Non, mes yeux ne te verront plus. And he starts singing. So he's singing, No, my eyes will not see you anymore. Verront, it's the future of voir. And look at the expression of Tintin. He says, Oh my God. Ramsès II, vous allez immédiatement retourner auprès de ses yeux. Ramsès II, you are going immediately return auprès with the eyes. Allons, en route. Come on the road. Let's go. Je vais le suivre à distance. I'm going to follow him at a distance. Peut-être aurai-je de cette façon la clé du mystère. So maybe I will have, aurai, it's the future of avoir, I will have in this way, de cette façon, in this way, the key to the mystery. Ah, les yeux! Ah, the eyes! Eh bien, Tintin est-il mort? Well, Tintin, is he dead? Non, il n'a pas voulu se laisser tuer. No, he has not wanted to let himself be killed. Incapable! Well, incapable means, well, you're incapable, you stupid you. C'est bon, j'emploierai l'homme qui écrit. It's good. Okay. I will use, j'emploierai, I will use the man who writes. Lui, au moins, n'aura pas besoin d'être hypnotisé. Him, and I think they're talking about the man they met, the one who was writing. Okay, so him, at least, he will not need. Need in French is avoir besoin. Aura comes from avoir besoin, to have the need to be hypnotized. Oh la main, hands up. Vous, je, oh, ses yeux. You, the eyes, those eyes. Ha ha ha, je te tiens. Aha, I hold you, I have you. So he means I have you in my power. We are now on page 42. Ça y est, there it is. Te voilà à ma merci. There you are, I'm sorry, at my mercy. Oh, le mignon petit jouet. Oh, the cute little toy. Well, he's finding the revolver. So he takes the revolver, he's playing with it, and then, at least Tintin, he's not hypnotized anymore. Everybody's surprised, and then a coconut on his head. Ah, 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 que c'est gai. Aha, ah, it's so very amusing. Gay means amusing. Ram Ram va encore faire pif paf. Ram Ram, that's how he calls himself. Ram Ram is going again to do pif paf. He's going to shoot. And then he's shooting at Tintin. Je t'aurai, vilaine bête. I will have you, villain beast. Okay. And then Tintin says, ah, c'était à ce papillon qu'il en avait. You see, there is a butterfly here. I don't know if you see it. So he says, ah, it was, well, this butterfly qu'il en avait, and that he was tired of, that he was aiming at. Tant mieux, all the better. Plus de pif-paf, no pif-paf anymore, so he doesn't have any bullets anymore. Allons, viens, come on, come. Et pendant ce temps-là, le fakir a disparu. And during that time, the fakir has disappeared. Laissons-le courir et allons chez l'homme qui écrit. Ce ne peut être que Zlotsky. Let him run and let's go to the man who writes. It can only be, the only is ne que. You see that? Ne que means only. It can only be Slotsky. Et quelques minutes plus tard, and a few minutes later, jouons franc jeu. Let's play fair game. On en veut à ma vie. Well, they want my life. Vous allez me dire tout de suite ce que vous savez à ce sujet. You are going to tell me tout de suite, immediately, what you know on the subject. Moi? Mais je ne comprends pas. Me? But I don't understand. Pas de mensonges, no lies. Parlez et plus vite que cela. Talk and quicker than that. Sinon, pif paf. Otherwise, shoot shoot. Halte, oui, stop, yes, I. Notez que je ne sais pas grand-chose. Well, note or, well, you have to know that I don't know grand-chose very much. C'est une bande internationale de trafiquants de stupéfiants qui a résolu de vous supprimer. It's a gang, it's an international gang of trafficking of drugs, stupéfiants, who has decided to supprimer, eliminate you. Et vous faites partie de cette bande. And you are a part of that gang. C'est-à-dire, well, it's to say, il y a ici des membres de cette organisation. There are here members of that organization. Vous ayant reconnu, ils ont télégraphié au chef. Having recognized you, they have telegraphed to the boss, the chef, the chief, the boss. Et qui est ce chef? And who is that boss? We are on page 43. Attendez, wait. Surpris de vous savoir toujours en vie, il a donné l'ordre de vous faire disparaître. So, surprised that you, knowing you, still alive, en vie, means alive, he has given the order to make you disappear. C'est le fou qui devait vous abattre, et dans ce but, il a été hypnotisé. It was the lunatic who had to abattre, kill you, and in that goal, to that goal, we can say, he has been hypnotized. Bon, mais le nom du chef. Good, but the name of the boss. Non, impossible, je ne peux pas. No, impossible, I can't. Il punit terriblement ceux qui le trahissent. He punishes terribly those who betray him. Je veux pourtant le savoir. Pourtant, anyhow, I want to know. Je sais, il s'appelle. He is called. Ah, and you see here the arrow. In his neck. Il y avait quelqu'un derrière les persiennes. There was someone behind the shutters. Inutile, je suis déjà puni. But inutile, it's a bit like unuseful, but here it really means pointless. I am already punished. C'est la vengeance de la bande. It's the vengeance of the gang. Cette fléchette est empoisonnée au sucre de Rajaija, le poison qui rend fou. So this little arrow, the et at the end means little, little one. This little arrow is poisoned with the juice of Rajaija, whatever that is, plant maybe. It's a poison that makes crazy. Le chef, son nom, le bras, so the boss, his name, le bras, vite, vite, quick, quick. And you see, he starts singing. Il était une bergère et ron, 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 petit pataton, patapon. Sorry, that's a French song that children sing. There was a shepherd and ron, ron, petit patapon. Okay. And then the professor says, come on, allons mes enfants, la récréation est finie. Come on, children, the break is finished, it's over. Qui peut me dire qui a succédé à Ramsès II? Who can tell me who has succeeded to Ramses II? Moi, monsieur, Napoléon. Me, sir, it was Napoleon. Et de retour au poste. And they're again in the office. Maybe it's the police office. I'm not quite sure. No, I think it's just the office, the organization. Nous voilà maintenant avec deux fous sur le bras. Here we are now with two fools or two lunatics sur les bras means stuck. We're stuck now with two lunatics. Nous les conduirons à l'asile demain. We will drive them to the asylum tomorrow. Le lendemain matin, the morning after, the next day in the morning, that's what it literally says. Voici une lettre pour le directeur de l'établissement. Here is a letter for the director of the institution, establishment, but I think here it should be the institution. You see they're driving, Tintin is driving, Milou is there, and then the two men. Ha ha ha, tu vas à l'asile, mon ami. Ha ha, you're going to the asylum, my friend. Avec la lettre de recommandation que tu as en poche, tu seras bien reçu. With the letter of recommendation that you have in your pocket, you will be well received. Ah, he did something. I think he fixed the letter. Let's wait and see. Page 44. Voilà une lettre du docteur Finet. Here is a letter from Dr. Finney. C'est au sujet de ces deux malades. It's on the subject of those two malades, sick people. Bon, je vois. Très bien. Good, I see. Very well. Infirmier, occupez-vous de ces messieurs. Infirmier, well, like the nurses. People taking care of the people in the asylum. So, occupez-vous. Take care of those gentlemen. Voulez-vous m'accompagner pour les formalités d'usage? Do you want to accompany or to go with me for the normal formalities, and formalités, et d'usage, yeah, the usual formalities, we can say. Volontiers. My pleasure. Oh, vous savez, ceux-ci ne sont pas dangereux. Oh, you know, those here are not dangerous. Voyez, c'est dans une cellule pareille que vos pauvres amis seront logés. You see, it's in a cell pareil, hein, parallel to this one, but like this one, that your poor friends will be lodged. Clack, closing the door. Hmm. Il vous so now he's reading the letter, you see. Il vous remettra cette lettre lui-même en déclarant qu'elle concerne ses deux compagnons. C'est, so he will give you this letter himself, declaring that it, elle, it's the letter, in French it's feminine, that it concerns his two companions, or his two, well, the two men with him. It is un sujet très dangereux. So it's a very dangerous man, very dangerous subject. Aussi, faites-le entrer dans sa cellule par la ruse plutôt que par la force. Also, make him enter in the cell by la ruse, well, I would say by trickery, with a trick, rather than by force. Dans la suite, il ne cessera de répéter qu'il a toute sa raison. Donc, dans la suite, it means, yeah, following that, and so afterwards, he will not cease, will not stop to repeat that he has all his reason. No, in English, it's more like all his senses. La raison is the senses. He's a very sensible person. But, voici, monsieur, votre malheureux ami sera très bien soigné. So, gentlemen, your miserable friend will be very well taken care of, soigné. Nous avons toute confiance en vous. We have all confidence in you. We trust you. Au revoir, messieurs. Bye bye, gentlemen. Merci, ma petite fille. Thank you, my little girl. This doctor here should have known that these are the lunatics. Well. Allô? Oui, chef, une lettre que j'ai remplacée par une autre en imitant l'écriture du docteur. Hello, yes, boss. A letter that I have replaced by another, imitating the handwriting of the doctor. Elle disait que c'était Tintin lui-même qui était fou. Elle, that's again the letter, it said that it was Tintin himself who was crazy. And we're going to the last page of today, so it's page 45. Woo woo! So Milou, he's barking. Doctor passes and he says, si vous ne vous tenez pas tranquille, on va vous passer la camisole de force. Compris? If you do not hold yourself, well, calm, we are going to pass or to put on la camisole de force. It's a straitjacket. So we are going to put on the straitjacket. Understood? Mais monsieur, si c'est une plaisanterie, elle doit cesser. But sir, if it is a joke, plaisanterie, it has to stop. You see again, elle, it doesn't mean she, but it's une plaisanterie, a joke. It must stop, must cease. Ce n'est pas moi qui suis fou. It's not me who is crazy, mais les deux hommes que j'ai amenés ici. But the two men that I have brought here. Exactement ce que m'a écrit le docteur. Exactly what has written to me the doctor. Il ne cessera de répéter qu'il a toute sa raison. He will not cease or not stop to repeat that he has all his senses. Fou, ils me prennent pour un fou. Crazy, they take me for a crazy person, for a lunatic. C'est inimaginable. It's inimaginable. Voici votre soup. Pardon. I was half in French and half in English, sorry. So, voici votre soupe. Here is your soup. Ma soupe, my soup, ça va barder. You see, Milou, he says, oh my God, there will be hell to pay. There will be hell. There will be hell to pay. Voici ce que j'en fais moi de votre soupe. There, that is what I do, me, with your soup. And oops, look at that. Tintin seems to be happy. Wow, wow. Well, he's in pain, I imagine. C'est le moment ou jamais. It's the moment or never. Au secours! Help! Plus que le mur à sauter et je suis libre. Only, well, plus que means just only the wall to jump and I am free. Mais comment le franchir, ce mur-là? But how to franchir, to get over it, that wall? And there they are, stuck at the wrong side of the wall. Okay, thank you for having been with me, for reading with me. I'm going to continue my coffee, of course. I wish you a very, very happy Tuesday. Très, très bon mardi. Et j'espère à la semaine prochaine. Au revoir.